Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are in our garden and it's a nice sunny afternoon, and what better fruit to eat today than the watermelon. So I'm going to show you how to prepare a watermelon basket with some nice fruits like strawberry and 3 types of grapes. So let's start. So first we need to cut the base of the watermelon to make the base of the basket so that it stands well. And the next step is to carve around the watermelon a handle. So I'm going to make an arc and then I'm going to go across, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to start from the center and make an arc and go right down to the mid and do the same thing on the other side. From the center, push down the knife to the middle of the watermelon and then push the knife across, and then just gently try to move the section. Wow, just look at it. It has such a lovely color. It's fresh and juicy. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So push your knife across and gently move it. So you will feel with your knife that the section has parted way. Well, the kids are very excited to see the watermelon. Yeah, then you can give it a finishing touch because we're going to scoop all the watermelon out. Yeah, so I have a scoop with me and I'm going to gently scoop the red fleshy part of the watermelon. Wow, look at that, it looks so amazing. Oh, look at all that. And I'm going to continue to remove all the red fleshy part of the watermelon.
I have food packets. I have food packets.
I have a visitor, a little butterfly in the garden. So friends, here I have scooped the watermelon, red fleshy part of the watermelon, and this is my cute little watermelon basket. And here are the balls. You can see it's a nice sunny afternoon and beautiful breeze that's blowing. I can zoom and show you my apple that is growing in the background, and I will update to you in a different video when it's ripe. So for this video I have saved the top section of the watermelon and I've sliced it over here, and I have some cutters of different shapes, array of cutters, and I'm going to use that. This is a cute little heart-shaped cutter. So you can see the beautiful shapes of the watermelon, some heart shapes and some flowers, and then I'm going to use the rest of the cutters like star and some more flowers, a fish and birds, mushrooms, and I'll get back to you and show you all the different shapes. Oh, this is a cute teddy bear. So here I have the different shapes that I have cut, and the scooped watermelon, some strawberries, and some 3 different types of grapes, and some oranges. So let's start. Look how lovely it looks. A combination of all the different colored fruits. It's going to add freshness and it's going to have a lovely taste. For the final touch, I'm going to use a toothpick and add some fruits like 2 grapes and a star, and I'm going to decorate the basket with it. So here I have the final look of my basket. You can prepare this to add color and flavor to your picnic table, and watermelon is very good for health at this season. So if you enjoyed watching the video, please give me a thumbs up